A broken bank link in MoneyLion usually happens when the app can't sync your bank data because of login changes, expired permissions, or a failed verification between your bank and MoneyLion. By the end of this, you'll know how to reconnect your bank, fix sync errors, and confirm when your MoneyLion account is working again. Start by opening the MoneyLion app and checking your bank connection status. If it shows disconnected or not syncing, the app can't pull your transaction or income data correctly. Next, open your bank app or website and confirm your login still works normally. If you recently changed your password or enabled new security settings, that alone can break the connection. Go back into MoneyLion and select the option to reconnect your bank. Log in using your current banking credentials, not any saved or old information. If the connection fails, remove the bank completely from MoneyLion and start the linking process again from scratch. This clears outdated permissions that often cause repeated sync errors. Also check if your bank is sending any security alerts or verification requests. Some banks block third-party apps until you manually approve access again. If you see a prompt about data sharing or account access, make sure MoneyLion is fully authorized. Next, check your account activity inside MoneyLion. If transactions are not updating, the app is still not syncing properly with your bank. Make sure your MoneyLion app is fully updated through your device's app store. Older versions can fail to connect with newer bank security systems. If you use multiple bank accounts, confirm you are linking the correct one tied to your income deposits. Wrong account selection is a common reason for failed syncing. If the issue continues, sign out of MoneyLion and sign back in. That forces a fresh session and can reset background connection errors. Avoid repeatedly reconnecting your bank in a short time. Too many attempts can trigger temporary security blocks from your bank. If everything is correct but the bank link is still broken, contact MoneyLion support. Provide your account email, bank name, and a clear description of the error shown in the app. Those details help support identify whether the issue is caused by bank restrictions or a system sync failure. To sum it up, check your bank login, reconnect your account, reauthorize permissions, and reset the connection if needed. Next, open MoneyLion and verify whether your transactions are updating normally before trying any new requests. If this guide helped, like the video, subscribe for more MoneyLion tutorials, troubleshooting guides, and personal finance tips.